So guys, this is a kind of my close-up look. This is very simple yet very attractive look, guys. So you can just check out my close-up how closely this particular look is looking on camera. As you can see, guys, there is some difference in this look because usually the way I do create look, this is a kind of little different look. For that, guys, I'm just beginning up my look with toning up my face. I'm using rose water ka toner, then juicy chemistry का organic lip balm I am applying. उसके बाद मैंने विटामिन सी का फेस सीरम अप्लाई किया है. विटामिन सी इज़ सो वर्सटाइल प्रोडक्ट गाइस की यूज़ कर सकते हैं ट्वाइस और थ्राइस अ वीक मैक्सिमम, एंड इट्स नॉट स्पेसिफिकली in serum form. Either you can use it in face wash form or sunscreen or any of your beauty product में विटामिन सी होता है. Then for moisturizer मैंने ये एलोवेरा जेल यूज़ किया है from Wow as a moisturizer, and you can use this aloe vera gel on your hair, on your face. It's up to you how you can use it. And after that I'm priming up my face with Lakme primer. This is a kind of a mattifying look. इससे mattifying look होता है guys. And just blending कर रही हूँ मैं nose और अपने near कर रही हूँ बिकॉज नियर बाय नोज़ आपके ओपन पोर्स ज़्यादा रिफ्लेक्टिव होते हैं और वहाँ पे ही ज़्यादा ऑयल प्रोडक्शन होता है, तो प्राइमर वहाँ पे ज़रूर लगाइए. देन लैक्मे 925 का मैंने ये लिक्विड फाउंडेशन यूज़ किया है. ये मेरी स्किन टोन से एक शेड लाइटर है, तो व्हेन एवर यू आर गोइंग टू डू अ लाइटर स्किन टोन, अगर आपको अपनी एक स्किन टोन से लाइटर फाउंडेशन यूज़ करना है तो आप परचेज़ कर सकते हैं. इधर यू कैन अप्लाई द सेम कलर फाउंडेशन और आप कॉम्पैक्ट एक शेड लाइटर यूज़ कर सकते हैं. इसी तरह से आप अपनी स्किन को एक लाइट टोन दे सकते हो. सो आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग द काबुकी ब्रश की हेल्प से मैं अपने फाउंडेशन को ऑल ओवर ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ और स्प्रेड कर रही हूँ. उसके बाद फॉर द नेचुरल फिनिश आई एम यूजिंग द वेट ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. इससे अच्छे से अगर आप ब्लेंड कर लेंगे तो यू विल नॉट फाइंड कि आपका फाउंडेशन एक शेड लाइटर है, वो आपकी स्किन टोन से ही मैच करेगा. एंड बाय दिस टाइम इफ़ यू आर वेयरिंग अ फाउंडेशन फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम तो वो बिल्कुल भी नेचुरल लगेगा बिकॉज योर स्किन नेचुरली रिलीजेस सम ऑयल्स. I'm just setting up my eyelids area for my eye makeup. I'm using Lakme 925 ka compact for the same range. Filling up my brows using NYX Love All Contour palette. और मैं एक brow brush की help से इसे fill कर रही हूँ because I can see on camera that there is some gap which is easily visible. So I'm just filling up those gaps. I'm filling my brows, another brows, and spoolie की हेल्प से I'm just giving the natural shape. जो मेरा एक natural shape है brows का, वो मैं just उसे दे रही हूँ. And I'm using this Makeup Revelations का palette in the shade Newtrals, and these two colors I'm just going to use it. I have created a lot of look using Makeup Revelations eyeshadow palette, guys. So these two colors were left since so many days, so I thought why not to use this mauvish color which is so neutral and very light. So I thought to use these colors as my shadow and create a look using these colors. I think मुझे pigmentation वैसे मिल नहीं रही थी on camera, guys, so I've used another palette from Makeup Revelations range itself again. This is a kind of, guys, very mauvish or very lightish in purple shade and उस तरह का कुछ ही कलर है, तो मैंने इसीलिए लाइट शेडो रखा है. and I'm just going to give a blue liquid liner. At times what happens, guys, there are so many trends, so many things. ये एक glitter मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ from the same shade, from the same color of family. At times what happens, there are so many hacks, so many things, but which is works is like the simplest thing to do. Like say for example doing contour, guys, there are so many things doing contour, making the winged liner, but the simplest ways always work. I think we should not make makeup so much complicated, guys. It's just individual hacks which is so feasible and flexible to work with, but we should not make things very complicated, creating new hacks all the time on internet. And the basics will work, and by following basics you will get your desired results. This is my personal opinion, and I'm just going to create the winged liner, the very light winged liner, not really heavy and bold. So you have to be very patient for this process, guys, otherwise पूरा आपका आई मेकअप ख़राब हो जाएगा. And same goes with these liners, guys. There are so many tips, tricks and hacks, but the simplest way to do is like कि आपका हाथ अच्छा हो. You have to start from middle line from your liner, and आपको फिर inner corner से join करना है. This is the simplest and easiest way, but for that reason you have a very experienced hand to draw the winged liner, guys. There are so many hacks and everything which is available on net, YouTube, everywhere, but the basic will work wonders, and we have to stick on the basic techniques as well. And I'm just baking up my face using the same compact from Lakme 9 to 5 range, and you can see, guys, how light this is looking. And the main thing of this look is this blue winged liner, guys. I'm using gray lenses from Fresh Look, and I'm just setting up my makeup, guys. This is a very simple yet subtle and very a kind of rosy fresh look. I'm just doing, and doing my necks, because your neck and skin color face color should not look different, guys. ऐसा लगना नहीं चाहिए कि अपना मेकअप लगाया है, your foundation and everything will be in same color. So after doing that, guys, this look is not so heavy as I have mentioned so many times. So I'm just going ahead with mascara from MAC Stack range. I'm not applying any falsies or lashes, guys. So patiently from the roots of your lower lash line and upper lash line पे mascara आपको apply करना है, guys. I do not have naturally a very big, very thick lashes. It's just a minimum thing I have. So किसी की lashes इतने होते हैं, इतने अच्छे होते हैं, घने होते हैं कि उसमें just lashes will work wonders, and you don't have to apply any falsies. Your eyes will look dramatic by just using mascara. And this is Flower Beauty का blusher I'm using. ये एक बहुत ही neutral light pink shade का blusher है, not really loud pink or neon pink का है. So for this look I have choose this blusher to be on my face, and I've used Mars का brush, and you can see all these colors are looking in sequence, guys. There is no, you can see color barrier, the same blush and shadow, and very simple yet effective. ये color, guys, day look में बहुत अच्छा जाएगा ये makeup, because blue liners और deep blue liners और navy color के जो liners है वो day look में आपकी आंखों में बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, especially sunny day में if you're going out. And I'm using this silver highlighter to my nose area, my high cheekbone area, to my cupid bow के पास भी मैं थोड़ा apply कर रही हूँ. And I'm gonna use as my brow bone highlighter as well, because all colors belongs to cool tone family colors. So ये उसी तरह से जा रहा है, guys. And this is looking very nice. And lower lash line पे मैंने कुछ भी नहीं दिया है, as you know me, so I very mindfully do my makeups, guys. I do not full everything. मैं कुछ करती हूँ तो कुछ छोड़ देती हूँ ताकि आंखें भी बड़ी लगे, डिसेंट लगे, बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्राउडेड ना लगे. ये मैंने टच ऑफ स्पाइस का नेचुरल लिप शेड अप्लाई किया. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ माई मोस्ट फेवरेट Maybelline's डेली वेयर शेड, लेकिन ये शेड वैसा ऑन कैमरा दिख नहीं रहा है, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा इससे लाइटर टोन में एक्चुअल है, बट ये डीपर कलर दिख रहा है ऑन द कैमरा एंड विद दिस लाइट. Welcome back guys again to my very own channel once again guys. So today, as you can see, I have created this very beautiful pinkish, very warm kind of look guys. In this particular look guys, I have used very nudish pink sort of eyeshadow using again a Makeup Revelations eye palette. मैंने दो कलर के ट्रांजिशन इसमें दिए हैं and the same color pigment, and I have used this blue liquid liner. There is no kajal, nothing in that particular video guys. There is no lashes as well, and there is just pink, very flattering, very fresh looking blush from Flower Beauty in the shade Sweet Pea, and I'm wearing this my favorite lipstick from Maybelline in the shade of Touch of Spice. ये लिप शेड मैंने एक पूरा ख़त्म कर दिया है गाइज. दिस इज़ काइंड ऑफ वेरी सॉफ्ट लुकिंग makeup guys. I wanted to use this blue liquid liner since so long to create a makeup look, so I thought why not to complement with these colors of eyeshadow guys. So please, I hope you have already watched my entire tutorial regarding the same, and if you do like these efforts, if you do like this content, if you really enjoy watching my videos guys, then please like, share and subscribe to my very own channel guys. You know how to appreciate this channel and this video very well guys, and please do also follow my Instagram account. And as of now, Allah Hafiz.